Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma GGM. Get your minced beef or minced chicken, get it ready, and onion and red pepper and skewers, and then let's make kebab. That is what we are making today. I'm going to show you how to make kebab in the oven in your home. If you can't find kebab or if you don't have money to buy it, relax. Nothing mega, nothing spoiled. Just chop the onions or blend it, squeeze out the water and pour the onions into the minced meat. Okay? Now, the same process with the red pepper. Chop the red pepper or blend it, squeeze out the water and pour into the minced meat. Set the water aside, just keep it one side. I will show you what to do with it. You don't throw it away. Next, you cut the garlic. All those things you can decide to blend all of them together. The garlic, the red pepper, and the onions. Blend everything together if you have a strong blender, and then just squeeze out the water together. This is so easy to make and it came out yummy. Now add paprika, add chili pepper, then you add seasoning cube. You can add salt, but I use seasoning cube, black pepper, and then white pepper. Mix everything together. As you can see, I have to put on a glove. If not, because it has chili pepper, I don't want to take chances. Now, get your skewers. 2 skewers, it has to be 2, not 1, so that it can carry the weight of the meat. Mold the meat in your palm. Get a small quantity, mold it in your palm, and wrap it gradually and slowly around the skewers, okay? As you're wrapping it, you're making it strong, you're making it firm. Secure it very well. And next, use your finger to squeeze the meat. Just squeeze it to give it this shape, the shape that you can see right now. I hope it is very clear. Yeah, it is. I told you this recipe is very easy. Next, you place everything on an oven rack. Roast in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Next, you add vegetable oil to the water, to the onions and red pepper water. Mix very well. Then you glaze the kebab. You bring it out from the oven and glaze it. Bath it very well with the mixture and put back into the oven for another 15 minutes. At this point, you can now add some vegetable, red pepper, onions, tomatoes, green pepper, bobo, and after 15 minutes, you have your delicious kebab oven baked. I hope at this point, I can now end your subscription. I can now end a click, a comment, and share. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.